After years of skepticism about their security, value, and staying power, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin seem poised to take over world markets. Investment firms like Goldman Sachs have provided clients with information about investing in Bitcoin, and CBOE Holding has begun selling Bitcoin futures. So it is time for international business people to start looking at how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will affect global finance and how cryptocurrency affects international trade business. It is predicted that cryptocurrencies will change the way business is done, and those who buy and sell across borders will benefit. I would like to welcome you again. My name is Murat Ozturker. I am head of the global and co-founder of Ozturker and Future Asia Global Trade. In this video, I will show you how does cryptocurrency affects international trade and also how Bitcoin could upend international trade. For starters, let's look at the basics of cryptocurrencies together. Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital financial exchange for goods and services, but cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are even more complex. Bitcoin can be purchased as simple money exchange and then used as a currency. Each time money is exchanged via Bitcoin or similar cryptocurrency, that transaction is recorded in a detailed public ledger. The ledger forms a long chain of verified transactions in chronological order. These ledgers are called blockchains, and blockchains are a big part of what makes people so excited about the possibilities that cryptocurrencies open up. Now that you have a brief understanding of fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, let's take a look at the benefits of cryptocurrencies for international trade together. For those who import or export goods and services across borders, cryptocurrency offers a variety of benefits. Some of the cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are poised to transform international trade finance. Number one, a lack of exchange rate. When you deal with many international suppliers and buyers in different countries, you have to deal with a variety of exchange rates. However, if everyone uses Bitcoin, you all trade the same currency and value without constant hassle of exchanging money. Number two, fast money transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions take place almost instantly. The transfer itself is posted instantly, and it only takes about 10 minutes for payments to be validated in the blockchain. Number three, secure payments. The money you receive a Bitcoin payment is also secure. Users must have the money available upfront, so there is no possibility of payments bouncing or credit transactions being cancelled. Number four, lower taxes and fees. Since cryptocurrencies are peer-to-peer money system, no taxes are governing them, and transaction fees are virtually non-existent. And lastly, number five, detailed records. The blockchains that arise from cryptocurrency transactions create clear, secure records that can be tracked and verified. Consideration is being given linking contracts and shipments to transactions within the blockchain to facilitate the tracking of transactions and logistics. With blockchain technology backed by cryptocurrencies, processes could become more efficient, simple, and transparent. Companies are so interested in the possibilities of blockchain technology that Danish shipper Maersk has collaborated with IBM to test a blockchain system for shipment tracking. Cryptocurrencies have disadvantages as well as advantages. Let's look at the drawbacks of cryptocurrencies together now. Of course, there are downsides to cryptocurrency that have slowed its adoption. First and foremost, the future of cryptocurrencies remain uncertain. While a single Bitcoin is now more valuable than an ounce of gold, economists and financial leaders warn that cryptocurrencies are another trend that will lead to a burst bubble. From a daily user standpoint, there are also problems with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is not legal in all countries, so it cannot be used everywhere. And since users must have the cash to make purchases, buying on credit, as businesses often do, is not yet possible. And finally, let's look at the future of Bitcoin in international trade together. While many debate Bitcoin's futures as a tech bubble rather than a viable long-term currency, it is likely that at least some of the technology Bitcoin has created is here to stay. From quick money transfers to the thorough records created by blockchains, businesses and institutions are looking at how they can use cryptocurrencies and related technologies to make doing business easier and cheaper. Regardless of how the future of cryptocurrencies unfolds, it is clear that savvy business owners should investigate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies to see how they can benefit and take advantage of the technology. technology. Hope this video has given you ideas to make your import-export business better. If you have any other ideas that how cryptocurrency will affect international trade business, the future of cryptocurrency in international trade, and how Bitcoin could shake up international trade, please write in the comments and help us to know these things and give us a chance to grow our international businesses. Thanks a lot for being here. If you are happy with my videos and want me make more videos, please do not forget to like this video and share it with others. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more great quality content on international trade and change your life. All your supports are very crucial for me in my YouTube journey. I appreciate all your supports. I have some good stuff over here. You can watch and learn more. Keep going, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.